Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set reminder in the Google Sheets. So here, what you need to do is add the using the add-ons on the Google Sheets, the reminder add-ons. So first, find it in the extension. As you guys can see here, I've already installed the add reminders extension to my Google Sheets. And if you want to add one, you can just go to add-ons here, just click on get add-ons, and here you need to find this add-ons, this add reminder. So just click on search, type on the add reminders keyword, and install it on the Google Workspace Marketplace. So after it's already installed, you can just go to extension here, go to the add reminders, and here set up or edit reminders, click on it. So on the right, there will be the add reminders panel. Just wait. Here, if you want to add a new reminder, just click on add a new reminder. Okay, so here you can add the deadline column, for example. The column that you want to add the reminders, you can send reminders, for example, how many hours or how many days, week, months, years before. Let's just use hours, 1 hours before. Here you can change the time zone if you want, and the recipient option here, and after that just click on done. So when you do that, the new reminders will be set. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.